guys, my name is Teena and today we are going to do something that I should have done a few months ago when I uploaded my henna brow tutorial. And I'm going to try next time naman some faux freckles because I feel like that would work. During summertime, meron kang mga freckles. I feel like that would be so fun. Yeah, so I actually forgot about doing the faux freckles thing over time. Actually, I have no excuse. Nakalimutan ko lang talaga. And then the whole, parang this accidental faux freckle girl came about. It went viral online. And I was like, oh my goodness. I haven't yet tried the faux freckle video that I promised to do a long time ago. Tapos parang ako, she did a fail. And I'll be honest, I was a bit confident na I think the one that I'm going to do won't be a fail since I already tried it on my brows.
I think the one that I'm going to do won't be a fail.
So I decided this is the perfect time to do the faux freckles since it's still going on viral. You know what, guys? I'm just out of ideas, honestly. So, I still have my 3 powdered henna from before. I think they're still okay. Yeah, see, it expires 2021. So, it's good because if you just buy one, it will last you a really long time. If it's not obvious enough, I only have my brows and my eyes right now. The rest is no makeup. And I will further remove the oil that is left because when I apply the henna, I want it to be on clear skin. Dun sa video ni ate girl, she forgot to apply oil before she put the henna on her face. But since I'm using a different kind of henna, I think she used yung mga talagang pang tattoo sa mga bridal, like Indian brides. Pero like this one naman is for the hair, it's not for the skin. So I think it's less aggressive. Like this one faded like after 3 days. So I'm pretty okay with this staining my face for a long time. I'm chill, you know. It's gonna be fine. It worked before. It's gonna be fine. And if ever, it's only 3 days. Let me just clean my face in front of you. Like, wala akong mirror. Just to like remove the oil. Kasi kayo napakalagtanggal ng makeup like maybe an hour ago. So also on my forehead because I'm gonna try to put some there. Yeah, I just have some lip balm on. You know, I super love this look. Yung no face makeup and then I just have like huge falsies on. Like, I really like that look. I don't know why. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you in to show you my skin. So that is my face. You see, I have some spots here that I can literally just follow. And also here, actually. Here, like, I have a lot of moles. And also around here in my upper lip. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go over that. Since I have 3 colors, I don't know yet what to use. But from what I remember, I think I kind of want it to be like a bit warm brown and then a normal brown. This one is brown black. I don't know if I want that on my face. So I think I'm just gonna play with these 2 colors, which is chestnut brown and dark brown. So I have my old cups from before. It's literally what I used before. And I just have some mineral water right next to me and some sticks to mix it with. Also, the brush that I'm going to... Actually, I only watched Jenna Marbles' video. Also, the girl that went viral's video. I only have this brush. But I think I'm gonna have another brush. Kasi okay lang naman kahit medyo makapal. I'm gonna be really careful, I promise. I don't think it's gonna be super opaque. When I did the brow tattoo video, someone told me na parang hindi ko siya dapat pina-set in dito sa cup for a long time because I think I waited like 10 to 15 minutes. So now, I'm only gonna wait until it starts changing color and then I'll apply it already on my face para daw mas intense yung color niya. It's already changing color! Oh my goodness. I only had it like a little bit. Ano ba? Ah! Starting to change color already. Okay. Ngayon naman, since medyo stupid ako dun sa water kanina, I'm gonna put the water first. So I know how much powder I'm gonna put. I'm so smart. Just to be safe. Okay, so while it's still changing, I'm gonna start putting it on my face. Okay. Seryoso na to, bashi wap. I need a very pointy brush for this. Oh my goodness. Ang lalaki. We need the lighter color to be bigger. And then later, the darker brown will be like, well, it should be smaller. Oh my god, that's big. It's so big. Ang lalaki though. I'm worried how big it is. Okay, I think that's enough of the... I'm now gonna go with the dark. Oh my god. Should I do like a stick? I'm gonna do like little ones with these. Oh my god, it's so big. Okay, kaya na pa ako nagko-complain but I'm still going at it. I look stupid. Okay, kanina I was very confident at this. Ngayon I'm a little bit worried na. Oh no! Oh my god, this is kind of creepy. Pag malay, I'm not even gonna look at the screen because it's disgusting. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for just 10 minutes and then I'll wipe it off in front of you and see if it actually works. But you know what? Kasi my only real problem is that I made it too big, the circles. I don't actually mind the dots being a lot kasi nga that's just how freckles are. Pero ang laki kasi lalo na to, oh. Walang himala! Ang laki beshi eh. Medyo natitrigger pagka typophobic ko. So, I'm just gonna stop and not look in the mirror and just wait for 10 minutes. I'll be right back. I couldn't help myself, so I picked on one dot and it's really dark. Oh no! These dots are gonna be darker than my brows. Stressed. I came in this super duper confident and then now I feel like I'm just gonna look like a freaking cookies and cream. Okay, I'm gonna take it off. It's already been 10 minutes. It doesn't sting at all. It doesn't feel like anything. It just feels like it dried up. So, but it doesn't hurt. Okay, I'm just gonna start with my mama. I'm gonna close. Okay, zoom you guys in. Ah, it's so dark! Oh no! Ang yabang ko! Oh no! Teka lang, but it might look good under makeup. Oh. Ay, nanalo ko pala yan. Oh my god, oh my god. Ah, no! Oh, I look like a cow. I look like a cow. Oh no! I really thought I was gonna kill it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know paano to. Laki! Laki! Iyak na ako. Ang laki niya! Ba't gano'n? Hindi na mukhang freckles. Oh no! Oh no! Ang dami kong events this week! Wait lang! Akala ko talaga mag-work. Dapat kasi gano'n lang kaliit, oh. Bakit kasi ang yabang ko? Oh no! Oh no! Hindi ko alam kung iiyak ako or tatawa ako. Oh no! Oh my god! Mukha akong cookie! Oh no! Oh no! I didn't think about this. Like, honestly, I really thought I could do it. I don't think it looks good even from far away. Oh no! I really thought I could do it. Oh my god, I was so confident. You guys don't know how confident I was going into this. I was a bit confident na I think the one that I'm going to do won't be a fail. It's gonna be fine. It worked before. It's gonna be fine. I think if it was that small, it could have worked. Should have practiced. It's gonna be fine. It worked before. It's gonna be fine. Oh my god. Mukha ako pinagtripan ng toddler. I thought mine was gonna turn out like Jenna marbles. I was so confident I was gonna do this. I was gonna be like,
girl, look what I did. I did it the right way.
Oh no, my family's gonna laugh at me. I think I'm gonna try to get the reaction first. Ma, meron akong ginawa. Pwede kita kay FaceTime.
FaceTime?
Oh, okay, promise you won't laugh.
Sigurado yung matatawa ko, di ako magagalit, ha?
Are you ready?
Oo.
Meron kasing thing na they put henna to put freckles on their face.
Oh my God.
Teka.
So, kaya parang pinipulubo.